Hi folks, welcome back. Just going to be taking the rear lights out. And that gets the back end sort of almost stripped, other than the subframe and suspension components, which we'll do next week. For the few people asking about the dog, Simba. There he is, sitting in the background there. Asking what he is. Oh, he's a Heinz basically. He's a cross Jack Shepherd. That's his dad, that's his mum. As you can see, mum's a little Jack Russell, dad's a big German Shepherd. So we call him a Jack Shepherd. And yeah, he's a strange beast. Very loyal, just like the German Shepherd. Very yappy, just like the Jack Russell. And yeah, he gets his good looks from his father. Max was a big bruiser, sadly passed away with Big C. Yeah, he was certainly a bit of a beast. Anyway, that's Simba. So let's get on with getting these lights out. As per usual, screws are rusted in, so taking a bit of getting out. We'll get there. Only one side to strip, so I took the other side out about 2 years ago when a bulb went in the back of the work van and we needed a bulb that day, so we just whipped the bulb out the back of the Mini. Frames are really pretty short, or the plastic chrome is all cracked, so I think I'll be replacing them. I don't think I could. But then again, I'll maybe do something interesting with them. Maybe actually paint the frames and maybe hydro dip them in a nice carbon or something, just to be something different. The tank retaining strap off. Something else off the back of the cat. Tank strap. Just had the petrol tank sitting out there just to let the vapours evaporate from it a bit before I put it away and stink the garage out with petrol. Put the cap back on. Move his inside now. Go Fox. Give you a look inside. Looks as if it's having a really nasty repair around the lights at some point. Somebody never made a very good job of it by the looks of things. Again, not to worry, we'll sort that out. When the frame gets sandblasted, the actual shell's going for sandblasting once it's all stripped. Just to see how bad it actually is. As you can see, 4 nuts, it's all that holds these light fixtures in. There's 4 studs on the actual light. We're free. To the other side. Disconnect the electrics for a change. With the rest of the parts. Just take the air strap off. Main battery earth to the body. There's something else gone. Back in one side. Overflow tube for the petrol tank. There you go, people. Another little task achieved. Another tick on the list of things to strip. So, once again, thanks for watching. And if you liked the wee video, don't forget, give us a like and a subscribe. Catch you later.